Hey guys, I promise I'm not addicted, but when I was at work today, I got a bunch of notifications saying this package is delivered, this package is delivered, this package. I tried not to look because I was like, oh crap. And I came home, there were 9 packages on my front stoop. So we will be unboxing some of them, primarily among them this guy, which I know what it is because I recognize that it's coming from Purple Heart Armory. So this is going to be the first one that I open. But as you can see, there's a pretty substantial pile here. So we are actually, there's 9 of them total, and that's a lot. So I'm just gonna do like 4 or 5 of them in this video, and then save the rest for maybe this weekend or tomorrow or something like that. So, but in any case, this is gonna be the first one. This will be the VB Military Saber, which is going to be my replacement, hopefully primary saber in HEMA. So I'm excited to open this up and try it out. You will be getting a full, actual, legitimate review after I've actually looked at it on the Poor Historian. And if you guys want, feel free. I upload all these videos to the Poor Historian channel, so feel free to like that and follow it on YouTube. I'm almost at 1,000 followers. I want to reach that benchmark. But anyway, expect that soon. So let's open this guy up. I'm really excited. This is hopefully going to be a game changer for me. I got it so I can actually compete with heavier sabers and maybe have a more appropriate sword for my favorite style, which probably would have been used by cavalry sabers. But let's take a look. I'm so excited. Oh yes! Oh yeah, I forgot. I also got Natalie a replacement sticker just for you.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna come back to the Arnold once they release, if it's been pushed back or when. And I'm gonna come back with proper saber technique, because I looked back at one of my old videos from 2 years ago, which is garbage. Oh, yes. Oh, my sweet. Oh, yes, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. I don't want to do like the actual review here, but it flexes. It has a fuller on one side and not on the other, which I'm excited about. And this is a beastly boy. Dang. I got this so that my little saber wasn't bullied around, and there ain't no way this is going to get bullied. I'm very excited to try this out, but I will reserve this. I'll try it out this weekend. Look at how gorgeous this is, though. Oh, I'm so happy about this. So I can't wait to try it out. Guys, I keep seeing a bunch of comments. I wish I had time to respond to them all, but they do look awesome. It sounded loose because the nut here is just a little loose, but no, it's solid. I love it. Eventually, I mean, I don't want to do it right away, but I do want to put this blade on a basically any U.S. cavalry triple blade. It could be a Model 1840 or Model 1860, whatever replicas I've got hanging around, torn apart in the basement, but that's my goal. I want to make this into a replica cavalry saber so I can practice Thomas Stevens style with an appropriate blade. And so far, this looks real good. That's awesome. Oh my god, I feel so good. It feels real good. I mean, haha. This feels really good. I like this. Okay, I'm going to do a real review video on the Poor Historian. I'm going to try this out and do some fun stuff. I like this. I really do. One thing that, if you guys are looking to look at the tip, I just want to clarify, there's no rolling or spatulation to it. That was something I was well aware of when I got it. You know, there are little attachments you can buy here and there to make the tip more blunted. But yeah, cool. I love all the comments, guys. I really do. Keep it up. It has like a little like half-inch section where I can see it's flipping through, so I don't get to read them all real fast. But very cool. This will eventually be a Frankenstein blade. but I do want to use it appropriately with the guard, because I did promise Christian at Purple Heart Armory I'd give them another review video. I know they use at least a couple of mine on their website embedded, so I do want to do a good one for this one, because God, this is the one I've been looking forward to for a while. And I know this is the experimental version, but and I'll clarify the details in the video. But the second that I got the email saying that it came out, boom, bought it, loved it. So anyway, moving on. I got a lot more packages to unbox, but dang, this is good. I'm gonna use it or something this weekend, even if we have to go out in the cold, maybe. So there's this one here. This is for a project I'm working on. I know what this is, and I need to open it because I want to get it done as soon as I can. You guys may have heard in one of my former or previous unboxing that I was making Viking shields. In fact, this was not in an unboxing video, but I got dog bones, which are made out of rawhide, which I will soak and unroll and see what I can do about using those instead of custom purchasing one. But basically, I got shield bosses that go on the shield, and they come with little bolts, little rivets, and it came with plenty of rivets, but the rivets were like an inch long. So I could attach the boss to the plywood that I'm using, barely if I like pluck it out. But I ordered these. I'm very happy they came through. These are almost too heavy. They look like they're steel rivets that I'm hoping will go through the boss, the plywood, and the grip, the guard. So these came fast. I'm very happy they're here. Want to unbox them. Maybe I'll show you guys if I do get a shield fully finished with the rawhide and the rivets, but we'll see if I have time for that. Got a bunch of other ones. I really have no idea what some of these are. There's a big one I'm going to save for later. This one I'm curious about. I like the size of this box. Let's see. I'll open 2 or 3 more tonight before calling it a night. It is Thursday night. We are almost at the end of the weeks, folks. So let's see what's in this guy right here. From Big Pine Key, Florida. Knowing Florida, it's probably something fishing. That state has some awesome fishing stuff in it. I mean, it's got the history for it too. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, I forgot I got this. First fishing reel, vintage fishing reel I have that comes with a box. South Bend, number 1140. Oh, thanks for putting a note in it. Enjoy. Also enclosed is old reel box and reel NC, cleaning out my old collection. Enjoy. Oh, I don't know if I bought this or someone sent it to me. Lloyd. Yeah, well, whatever. And it says it's from Murray Lake, Michigan, which is ironic. So this probably came from Michigan to Florida and back here. I don't know. We'll find out. But look at how cool this is. Vintage fly reel. Love it. I cleaned one of these recently. You guys might have seen one of the posts. Had a very similar design to it. This one seems a little smaller, a little lighter, but I'm going to clean this guy up. It's got rust on it. I love that. And a nice vintage casting reel. Not too vintage. It's got some plastic on there. But good enough. I probably got a heck of a deal on these two. So I'm excited about this. Very nice. I'll have to read this note. Also included is old reel box and reel, and no charge. Cleaning out my old collection. Enjoy. Butch. Very cool. I gotta see if that's actually like an old note that came with it or not, but awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. If you guys do have stuff you want to send me to unbox, I'll be more than happy to take it. So just shoot me a message. Let's open this one. I do not think that this is printer cartridges, but let's find out. Did I tell you guys in my last video I got approval to use the local parks for these fishing classes, which is very cool. It's a good accomplishment. So Grand Rapids has some awesome fishing parks in the area, Kent County specifically, and so we're gonna get some cool parks to use. Very nice. You guys have seen these before. If you've seen some of my unboxing, this one is a vintage automatic fly reel. So you've got it on your line. You know, you're doing your fly fishing. You would have it all twisted. So we're gonna test and see if this one works. Twisted, and with your pinky, push that down, and there you go. Probably need some cleaning, but it reels your rod for it. It reels your line for you, which is pretty neat. I'm trying to find any sort of year, but there's nothing. So, oh well, we'll probably have to do some hunting down to see what year model this one is. Cool, another edition. Let's see, we opened 4 so far. 3? 4. We'll do one more, in case we get another one coming by. This will be my last one. Made in China. Oh boy, is this a Wish one? I'm pretty sure this is a Wish. I've got a couple reviews of Wish stuff. I don't think this is historical. I think this is just me being a nerd, but let's see what I got here. Oh, it's a gift for Livy from her grandpa. She'll be very happy to see this. This is not for me. This is for my daughter. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. You have a great night. Tomorrow's Friday. Keep it up. And don't forget, if you want to see these, I post them on the Poor Historian YouTube channel when I'm all set. Looks like we've got at least 4 more here and anything else that comes over the weekend, so we'll be checking those out over the next few days. Peace. Take care.